hand shape, I'm going to go the next step and we're going to do the edges in a gold paint. So I have the same type of paint. It's an acrylic craft paint, and I'm just going to do paint around the edges, just a little bit over the inside edge, and make a gold line. So we're just kind of going to do this very lightly. And you don't have to mix much water in because it's we want it to dry fairly quickly. So just go around the edges in gold. And if you're doing this with your family and you've picked out different types of shapes, it's it's kind of a fun thing just to let everyone do a different one and see how they decorate it in different ways. So I'll just finish doing the outline of the fingers, and we'll be able to go on to our actual henna part.